Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to keep your garden thriving even in the hottest summer month? I know I am. August can be a challenging time for gardeners in Zone 6, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the best plants to sow in August so you can enjoy a bountiful harvest right into fall. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks to keep your garden happy and healthy. So let's get started. 1. Warm season crops. August is still warm in Zone 6, making it perfect for warm season crops. Here are some of my favorites. Tomatoes. Yes, you can still plant tomatoes in August. Look for heat-tolerant and disease-resistant varieties like Early Girl or Patio. Peppers, bell peppers, jalapenos, and other sweet peppers love the warm weather. Try California Wonder or Cubanile. Okra. This heat-loving veggie is perfect for August planting. I recommend Clemson Spineless or Burgundy. Eggplant. Another warm season crop that thrives in Zone 6's August weather. Try Black Beauty or Fairy Eggplant, 2 cool season crops. As the days start getting shorter, it's time to think about cool season crops. Here are some great options for August planting. Broccoli, a cool season superstar that loves the cooler nights. Look for varieties like Deep Purple or Waltham 29. Kale, plant kale in August for a fall harvest. Try lacinato or Russian. Spinach, this cool season crop does well in Zone 6's mild winters. I recommend Space or TA. Carrots, little known fact, carrots can be planted in late summer for a fall harvest. Try Littlefinger or Danvers half-long. 3. Herbs and flowers. Don't forget our herbs and flowers. Here are some great options for August planting. Cilantro, this fast-growing herb, does well in Zone 6's warm weather. Try Slow Bolt or Calypso. Dill, plant dill in August for a fall harvest. I recommend Mammoth or Fernleaf. Marigolds, these bright flowers repel pests and attract beneficial insects. Try African or French. Zinnias, add some color to your garden with these easy-to-grow flowers. I recommend State Fair or Giant Cactus flowers. 4. Tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and tricks to keep in mind. Make sure to check the specific planting instructions for each variety. Keep your soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Watch out for pests and diseases and take action if you spot any issues. Consider using row covers to protect your plants from extreme weather. And there you have it, folks. The best plants to sow in August in Zone 6. Remember to check the specific planting instructions for each variety and happy gardening. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.